कोकण रेल्वेतल्यान तिकीट नासतना प्रवास करप्यांच्या आंकड्यांत बरीच वाड जाल्ली आसा. देखून ह्या गैरप्रकाराचेर आळो हाडपा खातीर कोकण रेल्वेन कारवाय करपाक सुरवात केल्ली आसा. ह्या कारवायेत फाटल्या वर्साच्या तुळनेत अंदू वर्सा कोकण रेल्वेन 1.7 कोटी रुपया चड दंड वसूल केल्लो आसा. फाटल्या 2 वर्सात केल्ल्या कारवायेची आंकडेवारी आर्थीक वर्स 2023-24 78,115 तिकीट नाशिल्ले प्रवाशी वट्ट 21.40 कोटी रुपयांचो दंड वसूल. आर्थीक वर्स 2024-25 1,11,500 तिकीट नाशिल्ले प्रवाशी वट्ट 23.10 कोटी रुपयांचो दंड वसूल. हाचे फुडेंय अशा पद्दतीन ह्यो कारवायो चालूच उरतल्यो तेन्ना प्रवाशांनी हाची दखल घेवन तिकीट नासतना प्रवास करचो न्हय अशें आवाहन कोकण रेल्वेचे सरवेवस्थापक बबन घाटकेन केला.
In order to curb this illegal traveling and ticketless traveling, Konkan Railway has been continuously doing ticket checking drives on its trains and at stations. So during this last financial year, that is financial year 24-25, totally more than 1 lakh cases were detected, and these were detected in more than 9,000 drives, and an amount of 23.11 crore was collected towards penalty. As compared to financial year 23-24, that is last year, this has considerably increased. In the year financial year 24, it was 21.43 crores, and cases were around 78,000, and 6,300 drives were conducted. So you can see that there is an increase in number of drives conducted and cases detected as well. So it's my earnest request to all the esteemed passengers to travel on a valid ticket, and they should purchase proper platform ticket or traveling ticket before entering the station.
The fine was collected throughout the route of the
Yes,
Konkan.
this is all along the Konkan Railway route, at all the stations and all the trains.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर गौरांग प्रभू मळकणेकर.